in Vegas at the cutest little place by New York, New York, and it's the Hello Kitty Cafe. If you have not been here yet, you have a little girl or even a grown person who is in love with the Hello Kitty, this is a great place for you to take them. As you can see, it's got lots of little edible stuff inside that you can order, baked goods. I'll get you a closer look at the menu. The line's not too bad right now because it's 113 degrees outside. However, the line does get pretty long when it is a cooler day. So, super cute, right between Park MGM and New York, New York. It's the Hello Kitty Cafe here in Vegas. Let me show you the picture over here of it. So here's the menu. All kinds of drinks, little cakes, donuts, cookies, other little things. They also have a lot of merch that you can buy. All Hello Kitty exclusive sanrio products. Super cute place. Again, if you got a little girl who's a Hello Kitty lover, or if you're as an adult or a Hello Kitty lover, super cute place to go between the entrance of New York, New York and Park MGM. Here's their social media in case you want to check them out before you make a visit. Sorry guys.
Do you see it now?
Super cute stuff. They even got little squishmallows.
And how much is the white chocolate?
And actually the prices are pretty good considering, again, it's all authentic sanrio, Hello Kitty merchandise. Look at these treats. Brownies, Rice Krispie treats. Obviously cupcakes and donuts. Oh my gosh, look at that curly donut. Oh, this is super cute.
Yeah, it's okay.
And they got a bunch of t-shirts here too.
A blueberry?
Oh, look at this shirt here.
A strawberry mango lemonade.
My bad. Super cute. So once you place your order over here with the cute girl with the cute pink hair, then you come on over to this little window here where you pick it up. Super cute. This whole thing is cute. I'm not even a big fan, but my daughter is, and this whole place is super cute. Look at the employees, the back of the employee shirt. It says Hello Kitty, and then they have Hello Kitty cookies and everything back there. Looks like they make it all fresh. Little napkins and everything. Super cute. Let me just see your bag, and let me get your
Oh wait, let me make your face the cute way.
And so this is our end result. Got some Hello Kitty merch. And look at these super cute cups with the drinks. Super refreshing on a 113 degree day here in Vegas.